Dear students, in this video, we will discuss the topics common factor, common multiples, and prime factorization. Now, the first topic is common factors. Now, let us discuss this topic with the help of an example. Okay, if you have to, I have taken two numbers, 24 and 36. If you have to find the common factor of these two numbers, how will you find? Now see here, I have written the factors of 24, okay, all the factors of 24, and have written all the factors of 36, okay. Now carefully see what are the common factors. See 1, okay, 1 is the factor of every number, so here I have not written 1 while writing the common factors. Now after 1, observe which factor is common. 2 is a factor of 24 also, and 2 is a factor of 36 also. Then 3, then 4, then 6, and then 12. So what are the common factors of 24 and 36? 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Okay, so for finding out the common factors of two numbers, first of all write the factors of the numbers and then observe. Now common multiples. Now if in the question it is asked, find the first two multiples, common multiples of 4 and 6. Now, so first of all write the multiples of 4 and 6. Now I have written the multiples of 4. As I have told you earlier that a number has finite factors but infinite multiples. So 4 and 6 have infinite multiples. So I have written some of the multiples of 4. Okay, 4 ones are 4. Simply you have to write the table. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, and so on. I have written the multiples up till 36. Okay. Now multiples of 6 I have written. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, and so on up till 48, and so on. There are infinite multiples, never ending. Now what we have to do? We have to find the first two common multiples. So observe the multiples which are common here. See 8. Which one is common? Now observe 12. 12 is common. Then after 12, which one is common? 24. So here we got the two common multiples of 4 and 6, that are 12 and 24. Prime factorization. There are two methods to do prime factorization. The first method is the factor tree method, and the next method is the division method. Now first of all we will see how we will do the prime factorization by factor tree method. Now what is prime factorization? It is the process of expressing a number as a product of prime numbers. Now I have taken a number 36 here. Now see 36, 2 18s are 36. Now further we can do the factorization of 2, but we can do the factorization of 18. Now 2 9s are 18. Now then again we can do the factorization of 9 here. So 3 3s are 9. Now see 36. So how we will write 36? As the product of prime numbers. So here are the numbers 2 2 3 3. These all are the prime numbers. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. We have written these numbers 2 2 3 3 as the product. Okay, and these are all what? Prime numbers. So see here 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. Okay. Now see here, now with the division method, how we are going to do the prime factorization. Now see here, I have written 36 and then I make a L shape. Okay, now we are going to divide 36. Now can we divide 36 by 2? Yes. Okay, while doing the prime factorization, we will use only prime number. This is a note. It is very important that while doing the prime factorization in division method, you will use only prime numbers. So I am using 2 here. 2 ones are 2. 2 8s are 16. Then again 18 is divisible by 2. Again I am using 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 9s are 18. Then now 9 is not divided by 2. So which next prime number? I can use 3. 3 3s are 9. Again 3 Ones are 3. We will divide till we will get 1. And in division method, we can use any number which is prime for dividing. See here, firstly I have taken 2. Then at a point, when it comes 9, 2 9s are 18. Now 9, we can't divide 9 by 2, so I have taken 3 here. But you have to take only prime numbers while doing the prime factorization. Okay. Now see here, now how we will write? Again, 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, understood? See here, note again, I am telling you, in prime factorization, all the factors are prime numbers. Now, highest common factor, that is HCF. Okay, you know what is SCF and LCM? SCF is the highest common factor and LCM is the lowest common factor. Now, I will tell you LCM with the help of an example. Let us take two numbers, 36 and 64. Now, first of all, I am doing the factors of 36. I have written all the factors of 36 here. Then I have written all the factors of 64 here. Okay, now, then I have, first of all, I have written the common factors of both these numbers. See here, 1, 2 and 4. There are only 3 common factors. Now, among these common factors, what it stands for? Highest common factor. First of all, I have taken the common factors and then the highest common factor. Sabse bada. So, among 1 to 4, which is the highest common factor? 4. So, the SCF of 36 and 64 is 4. Now, the lowest common factor. Now, lowest common factor, LCM. Again, I have taken two numbers, 6 and 8. So, I have written the multiples of 6 and multiples of 8 here. You know that multiples are infinite. So, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36 and so on. Similarly, 8 till 40 and then so on. Now, lowest common multiple. See, the lowest matlab sabse chota common multiple. Observe the common multiple. Okay, the common multiple is 24 here. Okay, and this is the lowest common multiple. So, the LCM of 6 and 8 is 24. Now, let us do the exercise 2.4. Find the common factors of the following numbers. Now, see here, the A part is 35 and 55. Now, I have written the factors of 35 here, 1, 5, 7 and 35. And the factors of 55, 1, 5, 11, 55. For finding the common factors, first of all, you have to write the factors of 35, all the factors and all the factors of 55. Now, see the common factors. Now, see 1. 1 is the factor of both the numbers, so this is a common factor. And then after 1, see here, 5. 5 is coming. 5 is a factor of 35 also and 5 is a factor of 55 also. So the common factors of 35 and 55 are 1 and 5. Now see 33 and 77. Again I have written the factors of 33. 1, 3, 11, 33. Then the factors of 77. 1, 7, 11, 77. Now observe. How many common factors are there? 1 is a common factor and 11 is a common factor. Now after that 13 and 52. Now I've written the factors of 13, 1, 13 and the factors of 52, 1, 13, 4, 52. Now observe the common factors 1 and 13. Now again 45 and 81. Factors of 45 I have written 1, now 45 and 81, I have written the factors of 45 here, 1, 3, 5, 9, 45 and the factors of 81, 1, 3, 9, 27, 81. Now observe the common factors 1, 3 and 9. So the common factors are 1, 3, 9. Now the next question is find first 3 common multiples of the following numbers. Now see here, 6 and 8. Write the multiples of 6 and write the multiples of 8. Now see here, I have written the multiples of 6 and then I have written the multiples of 8. Now how many common multiples? The first 3 common multiples. Now observe here. Okay, now the first common multiple is 24. After that observe the next common multiple is 48. And after that observe the third common multiple is 72. Here you got the 3 common multiples. Now 10 and 15. Now I have written the multiples of 10 here and I have written the multiples of 15 here. Now you can extend the multiples, you can write more multiples, okay, if you are not getting the 3 common multiples, okay. Now first 3 common multiples observe here. The first is 30, 30, 30. Then the second is 60, and the third is 90. So 3 common multiples are 30, 60, and 90. Okay, if in the question it is mentioned you have to find the first 4 common multiples, then you can extend, you can write more multiples, and then you can observe the 4th common multiple. Okay,